I can carry thinking of you when your life have gone. You can run as water by the fireside. Sunday morning, walk for a ride. What you have out and the breeze. Hope will last for more. Will you still leave me? Will you still hear me when I'm 54? Every summer we can recognize in the eyes, no quite enough to be. We just scream and say, grandchildren on your knee, be shout and beg. The postcard dropping my eye, in front of you. Indicate present in what you mean to say. You sincerely watching away. Will your answer feeling upon mine forevermore? Or will you soon leave me? Will you to feel me?